にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 75 of JLPT N4. This is the part 5 of the conditional, and today we're gonna see this one, the verb and no nara, or no naraba, or without no nara. Actually, we use this no nara after plain form, 普通形, but today we're gonna see only in the case of the verbs. What you are going to learn today, this no nara or nara, this one, this is completely different from other conditionals that you've already learned. The conditional that you've learned till now, this is like this. If you do this, then this is going to happen. The time relation is very important. In the case that we're going to learn today, also this time relationship can be the same as the others. But at the same time, this can have other meaning. In this case, the time relation is not important at all. This is the unique and important point of this one that we're going to learn today. Other important thing that when we use this nara, the possibility is not 100% sure. Really, I don't know. I'm not sure. It can be, but also it can be other way. If you do this gonna happen. This sentence is not possible to say with this nara. In this case, you must use other conditionals like to, tara, ba. When we use this expression no nara, then in the second part, the last part of the sentence, you can't use the expression that merely states a fact. It's not possible. This second part of the sentence is to give my opinions, to give advice, or to make requests, or to ask for some help. And all of them are based on the situation of this sentence of nara. So it's not objective at all. It's quite subjective. Now I'm going to explain you using examples. If you are going shopping, please buy some eggs too. In this sentence, if you go on shopping, I'm not so sure, 100% no, but I think 99% I think you're going shopping. Then this is, if this situation is right, then the second part, I'm making some requests. Please buy me some eggs too. We can express this nara or no nara in this type of conditional, because other conditional like tara, ba, to, you can't express this way. There are 4 ways to say if you are going shopping. 1番目、買い物に行くなら。2番目、買い物に行くならば。3番目、買い物に行くのなら。4番目、最後、買い物に行くのならば。The meanings are exactly the same. Only the difference is when we use no or ba, this is more emphasis. 買い物に行くのなら、卵。卵も買ってきてください。買い物に行くのなら卵も買ってきてください。買い物に行くなら卵も買ってきてね。When there's a subject in the sentence of nara, and then this subject used always the particle ga, but actually this is not only with nara, also with tara, ba, to, because these sentences, this one, the conditional part, this is subordinated. So when subordinate sentence, we use the subject with ga. If you oppose it that much, don't worry, I will leave it. I will give it up. I agree with, I'm with, 賛成します。I am against, I disagree with, I oppose, 反対します。That much. そんなに to give up, to leave it, to let it go. 諦めます。あなたがそんなに反対するのなら、あなたがそんなに反対するのならば諦めます。あなたがそんなに反対するのなら諦めます。If you know the truth, in this case, I want you to tell me. 本当のことを知っています。知っている。本当のことを知っているのなら、本当のことを知っているのならば、教えてほしいです。本当のことを知っているのならば、教えてほしいです。These were the examples using dictionary form, this okay? But now we are gonna see some examples with ないform, ない形。If you are not going out, why don't we play the game together? 出かけないのなら、一緒にゲームをしませんか？出かけないのなら一緒にゲームをしませんか？出かけないなら一緒にゲームしよう。The second part of this sentence is a suggestion based on the situation that I think you are not going out. If you are not using this phone anymore, can I sell it? The second part of this sentence is my personal question based on what I imagine that maybe you're not gonna use it. この携帯をもう使います。使わない。もう使わないのなら売ります。売ってもいいですか？この携帯をもう使わないのなら売ってもいいですか？この携帯もう使わないなら売ってもいい？ If you are not going to eat that cake, can I have it? そのケーキ食べます。食べない。そのケーキ食べないなら私が食べてもいいですか？そのケーキ食べないなら私が食べてもいいですか？そのケーキ食べないなら私食べてもいい？ Now let's see an example using 竹た form and のならor なら。If the movie is already over, go to bed soon. In this case, the second part is very soft imperative. If you want to remember well about this soft imperative, then you can watch my grammar video number 59 of JLPT N4. もう映画が終わります。終わりました。終わった。もう映画が終わったのなら、早く寝ます。寝なさい。もう映画が終わったのなら早く寝なさい。Now let's see one example using e-adjective and のなら or なら。I explained you before, just before のなら, you can use here plain form 普通形 and e-adjective is included in 普通形。If you want to go play in the park, then do your homework first. The adverb first, in advance, previously, 先に。I want to go, you want to go. 行きたいです。In English, you use this as a verb, but in Japanese, 行きたい this is like e-adjective. So, 行きたい、行きたくない、行きたかった、行きたくなかった。公園に遊びに行きます。遊びに行きたい。公園に遊びに行きたいのなら、公園に遊びに行きたいのなら、先に 宿題をします。宿題をしなさい。公園に遊びに行きたいのなら、先に宿題をしなさい。In this sentence, we can say the other way using this one, adjective with ければ。The meaning is going to be exactly the same. 公園へ遊びに行きたい。遊びに行きたい。遊びに行きたければ、先に宿題をします。先に宿題をしなさい。公園に遊びに行きたければ、先に宿題をしなさい。In the next video, we are going to compare all the conditionals と、たら、ば、なら。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese, always using this one, のなら or のならば or なら。Anyone you like. 1番目。If you want to work in Japan, you should better study Japanese. You should better do something. In this case, you use this sentence. 他 form of the verb and 方がいいです。This expression is used to give advice, and it sounds much more natural when we use with the final particle, the ending particle, よ。It means た方がいいですよ。2番目。It's prohibited to smoke here. If you want to smoke, please go outside. Smoking is prohibited. This is noun. 禁煙、禁、prohibition. And this is smoke. To smoke or to smoke some cigarettes. タバコを吸います。3番目、最後です。If you are going to drive a car, you shouldn't drink alcohol. Alcohol or alcohol drinks. お酒。お酒 is not only Japanese sake. This is all kind of drinks that contains alcohol, such as beer, whiskey, and everything, wine. You shouldn't do. The て form of the verb てはいけません。I hope you could understand very well how to use this のなら or ならば or のならば。As you see in my examples, the second part of the sentence of this なら, this is to express my opinion, my suggestion, or to ask for something, or even to prohibit something. If you think I could help you understanding this, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me like this. いかがでしたか？今日は条件文の5番目の動画です。今回のこの動画では特に動詞の後にのなら、のならば、またはなら、これを使った文を勉強しました。今まで勉強してきた他の条件文では時間の前後がとても重要でした。例えば、このボタンを押すとお水が出ます。車を買ったら家族とドライブに行こう。ところが今回のこののなら、これは時間の関係がある時もあるんですが、全然ない時もあります。ハワイに行くのなら新しい水着買ったらどう？このような感じで使います。この動画ではいろいろな例文を使って説明したから多分よくわかってくれたと思うんですが、どうかな？次回の動画では他の条件文と、たら、ば、なら、これらを全部よく比べてみましょうね。楽しみにしていてくださいね。このように私の動画では日本語を少しずつレベルアップしながら詳しく丁寧に優しく説明しています。日本語を勉強している皆さんにとって役に立ってくれると嬉しいです。この動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私の動画を お友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次の動画でお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。